Hello everyone, this is PM Chalamani here. First of all, I would like to welcome you to my today's session. In this session, we are going to discuss about what do you mean by probability, right? And followed by we are going to understand why we have to study probability and where we are applying our probability concept in our daily life, right? So before we jump into our concept, here you can see three statements. Let me come here to know what is saying these three statements. Okay. In the first let me read out. Then I will explain what is that. Right. So in the first statement, it is saying sun is rising in the east. So it is a 100% that everyone have to accept this statement, right? So sun is always rising in the east. So these kind of statement is called certainty, right? So the statement which we have to accept, okay, in the daily life, that kind of statement is called certainty. Let me come to second statement, right? So human can live without water. So through this statement, what do you think? So we can't live without water. So it is impossible. Impossible. Right? Impossible. Right? Let's come to third statement. Probably Arun can get that job. Arun, through this statement, what we have to understand is probably Arun can get the job means maybe he can get the job or may not be he can get job. So there are 50% chances for getting job and 50% chances for not getting job. So it is the chance is equal for both events, right? So these statements has to be dealt with even more deeper with mathematical approach, right? Because like this statement we come across in our daily life, okay? Like this, there are so many statements in our daily life. For example, we may come across like today the rain will rain. Okay, probably the teacher will take this hour. Maybe students will come on college today or not. So all these kind of statements are probability. Okay, so here we want to say, okay, we want to say 99% confidently how much it is going to be happen, or 99% confidently how much it is not going to be happen, right? So here to say that 99% confidently, okay, we have to study probability. Okay, so probability is nothing but probability is to study these before that these kind of statements can be named as uncertainty, right? So probability is studying uncertainty statement. Okay, to study uncertainty statement, we require probability concept, right? So probability means what? So probability means number of favorable cases, number of is divided by total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes. Okay, to predict the number of chances to be happen and for not to be happen, we use this formula. Okay, well, this formula is saying what is the to find the number of chances, we need to calculate number of favorable cases is divided by total number of possible outcomes. Right? For example, suppose if you are having two coins, you're going to toss two coins. Now the question is, what is the number of chances that both coins can be hit? Okay, let me write the sample case first. When we toss two coins, we can get both head or head tail or tail head or tail tail. So here, what is the question? What is the number of chances to be both head? So here we have number of chances both to be head is only one, right? So the what is the total number of possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4. So out of 4, number of chances is 1. So this is the required probability. So we use this notation for probability, right? So this is what you should know fundamentally about probability. So we use probability concept in our daily life in many situations, especially to predict the weather, to predict our uncertainty statement, or when you dice, what is the number of chances to happen, even number. So when you toss coin, what is the number of chances to happen, both can be hit. So like this, there are so many uncertainty statement that we are dealing in our daily life. So to deal that kind of statement, we require probability concept. So this is just an introduction, right? So we will discuss about probability even more in the next video. Thank you so much.